Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wireless phone chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the APPLUS Wireless Charger for iPhone 6s. Technology is getting more and more exciting. Charging a smartphone these days is easy without the need to have tangling wires. One of the best wireless chargers you can get for your iPhone 6 and 6s is the one from the APPLUS. It uses common Qi technology, which is supported by Apple devices. It comes with an ultra-slim charging base as a charging pad. You can place it anywhere on your desk or nightstand. It has an LED indicator, which ensures you know when working properly. But it will turn off automatically after 40 seconds so you won't disturb by light while you sleep. For a charge, just place the phones back on the pad, and the charging process will start. There are no chances of under voltage, short-circuiting and other mishaps. The charger follows common safety standards and has a 12-month money-back guarantee. Moving on, at number 4, we have the APPLUS Wireless Car Charger for iPhones. One of the latest wireless chargers for phones in your car comes from APPLUS. Featuring standard Qi technology means that it's safe and only takes 255 hours for a phone to charge fully. To facilitate fast charging, it boasts double coils. It comes with a mount for any type of car and supports iPhones from Series 7 to 11 and Samsung models from S8 Plus to S10. You just have to insert the mount into the air vents and fix it there. The durable plastic will keep the charger sturdy even in hot conditions. The phone itself is secured with a strong clamp, keeping it in place. A bottom stand protects the phone from sliding down. Even when the road gets a bit bumpy, your phone will be kept safe. The set contains the charging pad, a USB-C cable, the air vent clip, and a user manual. Besides Apple and Samsung, it also supports other 4 to 6.5 Qi-enabled smartphones. At number 3, we have the Kusta Qi iPhone Wireless Charger Kit. There is no need to take chances with your phones by using cheap wireless chargers. The Kusta iPhone wireless charging pad and receiver is all you need. Designed by experts, this kit provides efficient charging. The device is not just intended for iPhones. The charger is also working with other brands like LG and Samsung if they are using Qi technology. Due to an anti-slip pad, the phone sits securely on top of the charging pad. Additionally, circuit protection protects the phone from electric damages. With the Kusta wireless charging kit, there are no disturbances when sleeping. The LED indicator goes off when charging after a few seconds. In case you get an urgent call, you don't have to worry about a cable. Just lift the phone and take the call. The charger comes with a 1-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Anker Wireless Charger, PowerWave Pad. One of the advantages of wireless charging with the Qi standard is that it works now independent from the operating system. As long as the technology standard is adapted, you can use a charger with iPhones and Android devices. The Anker PowerWave Pad is Qi certified and, therefore, safe for all your smartphones. The PowerWave Pad is suitable for iPhones and AirPods, Galaxy Buds, and Pixel Buds. The new model now also charges iPhone 12 but not with a MagSafe adapter. You can charge your phone even with the cover, as long as it is less than 5 mm thick. The pad also supports the overheating feature of AirPods and will stop charging for a few seconds if they raise the alarm. And finally, at number 1, we have the ELLESYE 2-coil wireless charger. A more traditional approach to a wireless charger design comes from ELLESYE, but for a good reason. Some people like to have their phone on a stand, for example, using it as an alarm clock on the nightstand. Or you are charging the phone on your desktop, and you want to see incoming notifications. For the charging status, the charger has an LED indicator which goes off after charging is complete. If a device is not supported, a green LED will flash. You don't have to take our phone out of the case, as long as it's not made from metal and less than 4 mm thick. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.